Hi guys, welcome to my channel Daebak Yamini, and I hope all of you are watching this video are happy and healthy. In this video, we're gonna be talking about personal statement. So, how to write a personal statement? What kind of things you need to remember while writing a personal statement? How I wrote my personal statement, my personal tips and tricks. When writing a personal statement, you need to read the guidelines. So उसमें points लिखे होते हैं, आपको वो points सारे लिखने होते हैं. आप उनको आगे पीछे कर सकते हो, but basically वो प्रोफाइल होती है कि ये सब चीज़ें वो आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. तो अगर आप एक भी मिस करते हो ना, तो वो नेगेटिव बन जाता है. तो मेक श्योर यू राइट ऑल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दे आर आस्किंग फॉर यू टू राइट. जिसमें से पहला होता है मोटिवेशन विद विच यू अप्लाई फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम, दिस स्कॉलरशिप. तो आपको अपना मोटिवेशन लिखना है कि आपने कैसे अप्लाई किया था. यू कैन स्टार्ट योर पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट बाय ऑल्सो राइटिंग अ कोटेशन. सो बेसिकली एनी कोटेशन यू कैन रिलेट विद योर सेल्फ, यू कैन राइट विद दैट. ऑल्सो अगर नहीं तो नॉर्मली भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, दैट माई नेम इज दिस, आई कम फ्रॉम लाइक दिस. पर मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा ओल्ड तरीका है. आजकल सभी लोग कोटेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं, कुछ ऐसा स्टोरी टाइप. तो बेसिकली अगर आप अपने पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट को थोड़ा स्टोरी टाइप सा रखोगे ना, इंटरेस्टिंग सा, तो वो लोगों को भी रीड करने में मजा आएगा, आई फील. तो उसको थोड़ा स्टोरी बेस्ड रखना. सो दिस इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. तो ये कोटेशन मैं पिछले 2 साल से अपने लिए यूज करती हूँ. जो ओके, सो ये बहुत मीनिंगफुल कोटेशन है जो मैंने बहुत समझ के लिखा था. So this is how I wrote my personal statement. The bright future I dreamed of is unfolding before me now. The younger me could have never guessed the upholding desire I will grow for a country I barely recognized. So this is the quote I wrote, and ये मैंने ना रिलेट किया क्योंकि जब मेरा जो लाइक द छोटा वर्जन, द मिनी मी, never could have guessed that the desire, the upholding desire I will grow for a country, right? उस टाइम में मुझे कोरिया क्या था पता भी नहीं था, ठीक है. और आज कोरिया ठेले लाइक जब मैंने लिखा, मैं क्या सोचती हूँ, मेरे थॉट्स क्या थे, लाइक शी कुड हैव नेवर गेस्ड. तो ये सोच के मैंने ये चीज़ लिखा था. या उसके बाद आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ दैट आई एम नी, born in 2003 in Delhi, India, is raised in a middle class home as the only child. Since childhood, I've had seen my parents struggle really hard to make basic ends meet until the pandemic, which caused my father to lose his job. After graduating from high school in 2021, I struggled to get into any university, primarily because of the financial difficulties my family was facing as a result of my father's job loss. Because my mother was the sole source of income, it was hard for her to pay the house rent and the other expenses as well as schooling fees. To help support them, I decided to put my studies on hold and started looking for part-time works. Getting a job in India has never been that simple, especially for a recent high school graduate. However, I had the good fortune to be hired as an intern by BBC News, a media intern. As a media intern, I was responsible to investigate, research, and fact check information, uncover interesting stories, report the news, write scripts, and handle administrative works. However, after only a month, I had to quit as it was an unpaid work that was also rather far from my place, and even the daily upkeep costs were too much. To be honest, I felt envious of other students who were able to pursue further education. So this is what I wrote in first paragraph. This is not exactly a motivation. मैंने जैसा कि अभी बोला कि आप पॉइंट्स को आगे पीछे भी कर सकते हो. So basically, the second point is education background. तो मैंने अपना education background ना यहाँ पे भी रख दिया. तो you can just mix merge the points. So this is not exactly my motivation, but this is exactly how my journey started. So that's what I wrote. So basically, you make sure that you don't write anything negative, that my financial status is very low and dealing with this, that, my family doesn't work, my father doesn't work, my mom doesn't work, I'm the only child, I'm doing that. You don't write like this. No, you don't write like this. Make sure आप अपना सिंपथी वाला जो पार्ट है ना वो हटाओ उसमें से, ठीक है. आपको अपना स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट दिखाना है कि अगर ये भी हुआ है तो मैंने ये चीज़ें करी है, अगर ये नेगेटिव हुआ तो मैंने उसके लिए ये चीज़ करी. तो मैंने वही चीज़ लिखी कि बेशक मेरा ड्रॉप आउट हो गया और मुझे जॉब वगैरह करनी पड़ी, ठीक है, तो अभी मैंने चीज़ें करी, लाइक उसको आपको टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं लिया, ठीक है. और हाँ, मतलब इतना लो नहीं दिखाया अपनी फैमिली स्टेटस को, ठीक है, ये नहीं करना था. तो दूसरा इसमें मेरा जो दूसरा पैराग्राफ है आता है मोटिवेशन विच आई अप्लाइड. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके रखा है, ठीक है. तो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में मैंने थोड़ा सा अपना स्टोरी को कंटिन्यू किया है, ठीक है. मैंने जैसे कि बोला कि आई रोट इट इन अ स्टोरी फॉर्म. तो पहले मैंने बताया कि 2021 में मेरे साथ ये हुआ, तो मैंने ये करा और मेरी जो है स्टडीज़ होल्ड पे आ गई, ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे अपना गैप ईयर तो एक्सप्लेन करना ही है, तो इसलिए मैंने ये चीज़ करी. Second paragraph, I'm going to be reading it now. To divert myself from the stress and pressure I was dealing with, I turned to Korean dramas and variety programs. Even though I didn't comprehend the language, I found them to be incredibly fascinating and engaging. The portrayal of lifestyle and culture trend in those shows piqued my interest about Korea and its culture. The language was so captivating and beautiful, compelling me to delve into studying it more. My interest intensified after watching a video of an Indian GKS scholar. After researching more, the benefits of GKS scholarship captivated me and influenced me to apply for it. I believe that it would allow me to carry out the aspiration I have had been holding on to with more passion and dedication. Moreover, I wouldn't have to worry about paying the tuition, relieving some of my parents' burden. So I applied for GKS in 2021. Although I was certain that I would get the scholarship, I became very upset when I didn't hear back. But instead of giving up and feeling sorry for myself, I used it as a motivation to strengthen my portfolio and reapply. So this is what I wrote in paragraph 2. इसमें आई रोट द मोटिवेशन, ठीक है, कि मेरा 2021 में नहीं हुआ, पर मैंने फिर भी उस चीज़ को नेगेटिवली नहीं लिया और मैंने बोला कि आई विल मेक माई पोर्टफोलियो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। तो आपको ना अपने गैप ईयर्स को पॉजिटिव दिखाना है, ठीक है। और मोटिवेशन में आप, ठीक है, कोरियन ड्रामास कल्चर ये सब मैनेजमेंट बताओ, पर इतना हाईलाइट मत करो अनटिल एंड अनलेस आपका मेजर हुआ है, ठीक है। अगर आपका मेजर उससे रिलेटेड नहीं है तो इतना हाईलाइट मत करो उसको। मैंने भी ये बोला कि एक लाइन में सिंपल कि हाँ मेरा इंटरेस्ट आया, उसकी वजह से ही आया, ऑब्वियसली उसकी वजह से आया, पर मुझे उस टाइम पे समझ नहीं आया, पर मुझे वो चीज़ इंटरेस्टिंग लगी, ठीक है। पर मैं मोटिवेट किस चीज़ से हुई, किसी जीके स्कॉलर को देख के। तो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट कि हमारा इंटरेस्ट इसकी वजह से आया, पर इससे ज़्यादा इसकी वजह से आया। बेसिकली मैंने इसमें ज़्यादा हाईलाइट नहीं करा उस चीज़ को, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपका था थर्ड पॉइंट, सिग्निफिकेंट एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव एंड पर्सन इवेंट दैट इन्फ्लुएंस यू या एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एंड क्लब एक्टिविटी। सो बेसिकली आई रोट इट इन अ स्टोरी वे, इन अ सीक्वेंसल वे। सो मैंने एक सीक्वेंस में ये चीज़ को लिखा है, ठीक है। पहले ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, तो ये हुआ, उस हिसाब से चीज़ें लिखी है। तो ये पॉइंट्स जो है ना थोड़े ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकते हैं, इन पे मत जाना, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में मैंने अपना थोड़ा सा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लिखा है, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़, ठीक है, और पब्लिकेशंस वगैरह जो मुझे मिली, ठीक है। तो उसके बारे में लिखा है, I'm gonna be reading on that. So the third paragraph says, watching live streams of Korean gamers piqued my interest in gaming industry as well. As a result, I was given the opportunity to formally join the team of Hydra Esport, a renowned Indian esport organization, as the staff manager for 2 years. I was responsible for monitoring the audience's need, desire, as well as manage the Discord servers. As an experienced moderator, I have had the privilege to plan and organize many gaming and e-music events, including large-scale competitions like PMCO and BT's Battleground held in India. However, I remain unconvinced with my present position, so I chose to expand my knowledge in computer abilities as well. In 2022, I completed a basic diploma course in animation and graphics, which subsequently helped me find other side jobs. By then, I had already begun learning Korean on my own and had also enrolled in a 3-month hobby program offered by Korean Culture Center India. I found Korean to be very beautiful and logical language, and it sounds so pretty as well. My urge to learn about Korean and Korean culture grew alongside my interest in studying it. Since then, I have considered pursuing a career in this language and begun researching all the employment choices available in Korean. तो यहाँ पे मैंने अपना थोड़ा सा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लिखा है कि ये चीज़ें, पर वहाँ पे भी इफ़ यू नोटिस्ड आई हाईलाइटेड कोरियन, दैट अगर मैं गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी आई हूँ तो मैं कोरियन गेमर्स की वजह से आई हूँ। तो आई हाईलाइटेड कोरियन। मेक श्योर यू हाईलाइट कोरियन कल्चर या कोरिया का कुछ भी चीज़ ना डाल देना, बेशक आपने किया भी नहीं होगा ना तो भी मेंशन कर देना, क्योंकि वो चीज़ उनको दिखता है कि सिर्फ के ड्रामा के पॉप की वजह से नहीं, गेम्स की वजह से भी आई हूँ। तो मेरा वो चीज़ भी है कि सिर्फ एक सिंगल रीज़न नहीं था मेरा कोरिया चूज़ करने का, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी। तो यहाँ पे भी आई मेड श्योर दैट आई इवन इफ आई एम मेंशनिंग गेमिंग, आई मेड श्योर दैट आई एम गोना मेंशन कोरियन एज वेल। सो आई रोट दैट, ठीक है। उसके बाद लास्ट में आई एंडेड हाउ आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग कोरियन, बिकॉज मेरा इंटरेस्ट और ग्रो हुआ गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री, कोरियन गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री देख के, तो मैंने कोरियन सीखनी स्टार्ट कर दी। सो नेक्स्ट इज एजुकेशन, ठीक है। इन द एजुकेशन पार्ट, आई since I already mentioned my high school in the first paragraph, I'm not going to be mentioning it here. I'm going to continue it like the year wise, like yearly. So like in first step, like in first paragraph, it was about like my high school, like my 2021, like my doing work and all stuff. In second, it was like how I became interested after that in Korean and Korean culture. In third paragraph says that even after becoming interested in Korean culture, how I expanded my knowledge more. So I started learning Korean. So basically it is going in sequence wise. Fourth paragraph says, I truly felt nostalgic of my school days after I left. I believe my life changed dramatically when I enrolled as a student of Korean language at KCCI, Korean Culture Center India, in 2023. I wanted to take part in every event organized by KCCI and always seize the opportunity to stand out. When I officially began studying Korean, I discovered that it was more captivating. Being a student at KCCI provides me with a great opportunity to immerse myself in Korean language and culture. I believe that Korean isn't just a mere language for me, it serves as a greater purpose of my life. It inspired me again to have bigger and more ambitious dreams where I could craft a better life for myself and my parents. As I delved further into the language, the introduction of Hansa made it more difficult, but also intriguing to learn numerous characters. I successfully passed my Korean level 5 by the King Sejong Institute from KCCI in August 2024. I thoroughly enjoy my experience of learning Korean because it has opened new opportunities in life for me, and I hope to inspire others to pursue a career in any language they desire. I always had the strong feeling of wanting to pursue the Korean language passionately and delve deeper into the Korean culture, even if my desires weren't understood well enough by my peers and family and acquaintances. It has always been a fulfilling experience for me, and following my true passion matters to me the most. In order to enhance my understanding of Korean culture more, I participated in activities such as Lantern Festival and also created a paper lantern and bead bracelet. Why did I mention this? I was lucky to be introduced to Buddha's teaching by Zhong Guang, a renowned monk, and also got to savor her cooking. During Chosok, I wore hanbok for the first time and also picked up the traditional bow, which was featured in the following month's issue of KCCI magazine. I even marked my initial solal, enjoyed Tokkuk, and engaged in traditional games like Seki Chagi and Tuho, and one of my capture was featured in Korean Time magazine. My growing curiosity led me to a 4 month Samulori workshop where I delved deeper into Korean traditional music and culture. I never had any music training prior to this, so it was a pleasant surprise to find out that I was excelling at three instruments: Changu, Hingari, and Hok. During the award ceremony, I performed Samulori and also delivered a speech sharing my experience of Korean learning and Samulori journey. I also participated in one day traditional fan dance class and intend to join 3 month workshop starting in October. To get better grasp in speaking, since it is important for a good communication, I joined an online Korean speaking course by Online King Sejong Institute. Recently participated in the Study in Korea Fair and was approached by numerous prestigious universities to become a part of their institution. However, I was wishing for BUFS to be there. Additionally, I practice Taekwondo as well, currently at green belt level, training intensively for 5 days every week, aiming to achieve the black belt. Furthermore, I have very strong bond with my fellow trainees and seniors as well as the master. I took the topic test last year to assess my Korean proficiency and easily passed level 2. I took topic 2 again in April this year and with the goal of reaching level 3 but only scored 118. Currently at topic level 2 and aim to achieve a score of 4 or higher in the upcoming topic exam while continuously working hard to improve my Korean skills. So, yeah, this is what I wrote in paragraph 4. So, this is all about Korean culture. Like, as I said, it is important to highlight Korea's culture a lot, like a lot. It matters a lot. So, if you don't have any Korean culture related certifications or no, what are you guys doing? Please experience Korean culture. And if you experience it, if you do it, make sure to write it in your personal statement that you did this. बिकॉज उनको ये लगेगा आपने उनके कल्चर को सीखने की अपनाने की कोशिश करी है, लाइक यू आर जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड. तो मैंने जो जो चीज़ें उस टाइम पे केसीसीआई में करी, मैंने वो चीज़ें मेंशन कर दी. पता है जो एकेडमिक्स वगैरह मैं आपसे पूछा था ना कि आपका एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर या एकेडमिक्स बैकग्राउंड क्या था, ये चीज़ मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन करी है in the next paragraph. So the paragraph 5 says, in addition to my academic achievement, I was well known for being a perceptive and intelligent student. My teachers consistently complimented me on my intelligence and ability to multitask. I put a lot of effort into gaining practical experience while participating in various events such as planting trees and picking trash on Earth Day to spread awareness of saving trees and environment, promoting yoga on Yoga Day, participating in rallies and awareness campaigns like Save Girl Child, Save Water, Say No to Plastic, etc. I love performing on stage. Thus, I actively participated in performing arts such as dancing and drama roleplay. I excelled in arts and won numerous drawing contests, but I was only given either trophy or cash prizes as a reward. I enjoyed sports and was a member of the school's official badminton team. Additionally, I took part in various sports events during sport day like marathon, hurdle race, and tug of war. I achieved the top position in the inter-house badminton league as well. I had recognition for my writing abilities and have participated in competition for essay writing, slogan writing, and story writing. I was lucky enough to be able to take part in several speech and debate contests as well. I was additionally placed third in my school science quiz and second in maths quiz during my 10th grade. Also held the position of school head girl for 2 years and served as the captain of one of the school's clubhouses. As the leader, I was in charge of overseeing all the additional club activities and responsibilities. I served as the anchor at my school for a period of 3 years and had the role of hosting all the events and activities. I used to participate in reading articles, news during school assemblies and was also a member of the school assembly prayer team. So this is what I wrote in short about my school life. my academic background. Since you are a high school graduate, you don't have much experience like job and all etc. to write. You can mention your extracurricular activities which you did in your school. So this is what I wrote. If you have job experience, you can write it. If you don't, just write all the activities you did in the school. And if you have certificates, you attach those certificates. And if you don't, if you have trophies vagera, just click the photos of that trophy and attach it. It's gonna work fine. In the third point, it says no significant experience you had, person or event that has a significant influence on yourself. तो यहाँ पे लास्ट पॉइंट पे मैंने मेंशन किया है कि किस पर्सन ने मुझे इन्फ्लुएंस करा अप्लाई करने के लिए, ठीक है, मतलब नॉट अप्लाई बट मेरे लाइफ में क्या इन्फ्लुएंस आया था किसी पर्सन के लिए. सो ये नेक्स्ट छोटा सा पैराग्राफ मैंने लिखा है. I am greatly motivated by my senior who have won the Korean speech contest. One of them is Sirija Paul, the winner of Global Korean Speech Contest in Korea last year. When I hear her speak Korean, I aspire to sound as fluent as she does. She is practically a native now. I wish I could sound as beautiful as her when speaking Korean. When I lack motivation to study Korean, I repeatedly watch her speech videos from the contest to inspire myself to work hard in order to achieve my goal of being in a position like her. I believe this year belongs to me and I aim to make the most of it. Recently, someone said to me, "Ni insengal chikchora." So, I want to preserve my life and desire to improve and evolve into an enhanced version of who I am. I believe language serves as a connection between two nations, and my goal is to be that link between Korea and India. So, this is a small paragraph, actually 3 lines, which I wrote about significant person which had the influence on me. So yeah. Lastly, I didn't forget to mention BUFS. So this was the additional paragraph I wrote, that why I wanted to apply BUFS. I decided to go to BUFS primarily because it is located in the lovely city of Busan, which happens to be my favorite place in Korea. I have friends in Busan too, which will help me adapt to the surrounding more easily. Furthermore, the initial video I came across while searching for the university was BUFS tour. I enjoyed it so greatly that I began purchasing myself as a BUFS student. I also reviewed the curriculum and find the study structure to be effective and user-friendly, making it easy for me to follow without encountering any challenges. I was also pleased with the career prospects available after graduating and the high quality education and opportunity provided by BUFS. The employees appeared to be extremely well educated and approachable, while the alumni left a strong impression. The video introducing the program, the reason to choose BUFS, potential life at BUFS persuaded me completely. Moreover, one of the seniors, who is a GKS scholar herself, advised me to go to BUFS because it is foreigner friendly and highly recommended for foreign students. I believe there is no university in Korea that fits my needs better as a foreign student. At BUFS, I plan to deepen my expertise in Korean studies, aiming to contribute to Korea-India relations through diplomacy or international education. With my background and passion for Korea, I believe I can build a career that bridges cultural and linguistic gaps between our nations. So yeah, that's what I wrote in my personal statement. कुछ चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है. पहली चीज़ है तो ये कि it should be centered around Korea, not K-drama, not BTS, ठीक है. अबाउट कोरिया बेसिकली क्या मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकती है, उनकी ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट कुछ भी मतलब कल्चर हो सकता है, ठीक है. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हाईलाइट कोरियाज कल्चर, ठीक है. और बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट वाई स्पेसिफिकली दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, ठीक है. और कुछ रैंडम पॉइंट्स उठा के मत मार देना चैट जीटीपी से. सोचना, सच में सोचना क्यों, ठीक है. दूसरी चीज़, नेगेटिव मत लिखना, ठीक है. नेगेटिव मत लिखना मतलब सिंपैथी गेन करने के लिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दैट माई फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस वॉज नॉट गुड, दैट्स वाई आई हैड टू टेक अ ड्रॉप एंड दिस हैपेंड, यू कैन राइट it like this: because of some certain reasons I had to do gap, but in those gap years I did this to gain this knowledge, so I did that to gain that, I did that, I gained that. तो अपनी अचीवमेंट्स को ना हर पॉइंट पे उसमें पिक करो तुम, कि तुमने ये करा है तो तुम्हें ये स्किल मिला, तुमने ये करा तो तुम्हें ये नॉलेज मिला. बेशक तुम्हारे पास सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है पर तुम्हारे पास इस चीज़ का एक्सपीरियंस है. मेक श्योर यू हाईलाइट योर स्किल्स, योर एक्सपीरियंस ओवर योर स्ट्रगल्स, ठीक है. और अपना हार्डवर्क जो भी है उससे ज़्यादा आपने क्या अचीव करा है ना, आप उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करना, ठीक है. ये मेरा पर्सनल टिप है. तीसरी चीज़ वुड बी डोंट ब्रैग अबाउट योर सेल्फ. डोंट एवर ब्रैग कि मैं पढ़ाई में इतनी अच्छी थी, अच्छा था, मैंने इसमें ये उखाड़ा है, मैंने उसमें वो उखाड़ा है. ब्रैग मत करना, ठीक है. 2 का 4 मत लिखना, ठीक है. बस 2 का 3 लिख सकते हो, 2 का 4 मत लिखना, ठीक है. चीज़ें वो लिखना जो आपने सच में करी है, और अगर नहीं भी करी तो कोई बात नहीं. आप ये इंटेंट कर रहे हो कि आप ये करोगे, तो आप इंटेंट भी लिख सकते हो कि आप ये करोगे, ठीक है. और ये करने का हमने सोचा है, आपने सोचा है, ठीक है. और अपने पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट को जितना इंटरेस्टिंग रखोगे ना, लाइक स्टोरी टाइप और एक सीक्वेंस में, ठीक है. आप अपने पॉइंट्स जो यहाँ पे लिखे होते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको इनके अकॉर्डिंग ही चलना है, ठीक है, आप उनको मिसमर्ज भी कर सकते हो, बस मेक श्योर यू मेंशन ऑल द पॉइंट्स दे हैव रिटन एंड जस्ट राइट इट लाइक अ स्टोरी। ठीक है, मैंने भी स्टोरी की तरह लिखा कि इस साल में मेरे साथ ये हुआ, इस साल में मैंने ये किया, इस साल में मैंने वो किया, तो इस साल में मेरे को ये किया। और इफ यू नोटिस्ड, मैंने अपना से ज़्यादा कोरियन कल्चर हाइलाइट करा है। 2 चीज़ पे ज़्यादा फ़ोकस करना, अपनी स्किल्स और एक्सपीरियंस जो आपने गेन करा है, ठीक है? कुछ भी हो सकता है, स्कूल में कोई ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन भी हो सकता है, उससे आपकी ड्राइंग स्किल्स अच्छी हो गई, क्या हो गया? स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन जॉइन किया है, डिबेट किया है, तो उससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ। तो ये सब चीज़ आप उसको इस तरीके से लिखो कि आपने इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग कि मैंने स्कूल में स्पीच और डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट किया, यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, लाइक मैंने स्कूल में स्पीच और डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, जिससे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट हुआ। तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस, वो स्किल आ रहा है ना वहाँ पे, तो वो चीज़ मैटर करती है कि इस बच्चे ने ये किया, तो इससे ये स्किल, इंस्टेड ऑफ bragging about your certification, you can write, you can brag about your skills instead of writing your struggles. You should write your tryouts कि आपने ये चीज़ करने की कोशिश करी। हाँ, so that's it। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हो पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट के बारे में तो आप मुझसे कमेंट्स में पूछ सकते हैं। एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस, लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay Daebak. Bye bye.